Hello students, in this video we will study trigonometric limit. We have one most fundamental and most important limit, that is limit x tends to 0 of sine x upon x. Sine 0 is 0, so when x approaches to 0, sine x approaches to 0. Okay, so we have a 0 upon 0 form, and we know that this is indeterminate form. ये indeterminate form होता है, ठीक है ना? Then what will be the value? For that I have made this table in Microsoft Excel. In first column I have put the value of x. Values of x are close to 0. Okay, and in second column I have put the values of sine x over x. Now here when I say x tends to 0, I am considering real number x. Okay, that means here angle x is in radian measure. यहाँ पे जो साइन का एंगल है वो रेडियन मेजर में है, हमें इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. ओके, सो वी हैव दिस टेबल x versus sin x over x, and we can see that when x approaches to 0, when x is becoming smaller, okay, value of sin x upon x moves close to 1. sin x upon x का वैल्यू 1 की तरफ जा रहा है, जैसे जैसे हम x का वैल्यू 0 की तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं. We can approach x from both of its sides, from its positive side and from its negative side. When x is negative, this ratio will be positive because sine of minus x is minus x, ठीक है, and x is close to 0. okay, तो x 0 के लेफ्ट में हो या राइट में हो, sin x upon x हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगा, and value approaches to 1. okay, so limiting value of this is 1. okay, ये तो हमने वैल्यू पुट करके चेक किया. इसका एक ऑफिशियल प्रूफ देखते हैं. वी हैव मैनी डिफरेंट प्रूफ्स. वी हैव ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रूफ, then we have a proof using expansion formula of sin x. okay, let's see first geometrical proof. For that, here I have drawn the circle of radius r, whose center is origin. Here I have drawn the circle on coordinate axis. सर्कल का सेंटर ओरिजिन है और रेडियस r है. ओके, नाउ फॉर एंगल x I consider this radius. okay, angle of this radius with positive x axis is x radians. okay, I extend this radius. Now I draw this tangent line to circle at this point, at point r comma 0. okay, center is origin O, this is point A, this is point B, and this is point P. okay, this radius extended meets this tangent at point P. ठीक है, यहाँ तक joint points A and B, we have this chord AB. okay, now definitely in this diagram area of triangle OAB is less than area of sector OAB. okay, and area of sector OAB is less than area of triangle OAP. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है. We have area of triangle OAB. This is less than area of sector OAB, and this is less than area of triangle OAP. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है. okay, now what is area of triangle OAB? triangle OAB का एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? from point B, draw this line perpendicular to x axis. okay, what is this height? radius of circle is r, this angle is x, so height will be r sin x. ठीक है, ये जो हाइट है वो क्या होगा? r sin x होगा ना. okay, so area of triangle OAB will be 1 upon 2 multiplied by base. Here base is r. okay, and height is r sin x. okay, then area of sector OAB. sector OAB का एरिया क्या होगा? हमें फॉर्मूला पता है, area of sector of angle theta is 1 upon 2 r square theta. Here theta is x radians. Okay, so area is 1 upon 2 r square multiplied by x. Okay, this is less than area of triangle OAP. इस triangle का area क्या होगा? This base is r. Okay, what is this height? ये height कितना होगा? What is AP? In this triangle we have tan x is equal to opposite side AP upon adjacent side R. Okay, so AP is R tan x. Okay, so area of triangle OAP will be 1 upon 2 multiplied by base, which is R, and height, which is R tan x. ठीक है यहाँ तक? Okay, तीनों रीजन्स का हमें एरिया मिल गया. क्या करेंगे अब? सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 1 अपॉन 2 आर स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ओके, हर एक साइड से. सो वी हैव साइन एक्स लेस देन tan x, and tan x is sin x upon cos x. Okay, now we want limit of sin x over x. What we do? We divide throughout by sin x. हम sin x से divide करते हैं. Sin x is positive, so we won't change the orientation of inequality. Okay, we get 1 less than x over sin x less than 1 over cos x. Okay, ठीक है यहाँ तक? So from this we get 1 greater than sin x over x. I am taking reciprocal of each side, so I am changing the sign of inequality. 1 greater than sin x over x greater than cos x. ठीक है यहाँ तक? Okay, now we apply limit x tends to 0. Orientation of inequality will remain same. ये inequality का orientation वैसा ही रहेगा जब हम limit apply करेंगे. ये हमारे पास theory है. Okay, so we have limit x tends to 0 of 1 greater than limit x tends to 0 of sin x over x. This is greater than limit x tends to 0 of cos x. ठीक है यहाँ तक? Okay, now this is 1 का limiting value 1 होगा. Okay, so we have 1 greater than limit x tends to 0 of sin x over x greater than, and cos 0 is 1, so limiting value of this is also 1. ठीक है? Now limit x tends to 0 of sin x over x is sandwiched between 1 and 1, है ना? यहाँ पे दोनों साइड्स पे 1 है. ये वैल्यू 1 and 1 के बीच में सैंडविच हो रहा है. ओके, सो यूजिंग सैंडविच थ्योरम और स्क्विज प्ले थ्योरम, लिमिटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ दिस विल बी 1. जो वैल्यू 1 and 1 के बीच में है तो वो क्या होगा? वो 1 ही होगा ना. नॉट एग्जैक्टली 1, ठीक है, बट वो ऑलमोस्ट 1 के नियर रहेगा. ठीक है, सो वी हैव this limit x tends to 0 of sin x over x is equal to 1. This 1 is not exactly 1. ठीक है ना, ये exact 1 नहीं है, ये tends to 1 है. Okay, and this value will be slightly lesser than 1. बाद में देखेंगे हम. Okay, तो हमारे पास ये प्रूफ है, ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रूफ. ठीक है, हमने एरिया का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज किया, एंड देन वी यूज्ड सैंडविच रूल और स्क्वीज प्ले थ्योरम. ठीक है ना. We have one more proof using expansion of sin x. Okay, now do you know the expansion formula of sin x? Do you remember this? We have done this in complex numbers. हमने complex numbers में किया था जब हम complex number का Euler form study कर रहे थे. In Euler form of complex number, we used expansion formulas of sin x, cos x and e power x. Okay, क्या होता है formula? Formula is sin x is equal to x minus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x power 5 upon 5 factorial minus x power 7 over 7 factorial and so on. The series goes up to infinity. Okay, expansion formulas works well when x is small, and here we have x tends to 0. Okay, तो यहाँ पे definitely ये काम करेगा. क्या करेंगे अब? sin x का एक्सपांशन फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे. Then we will have limit x tends to 0 of x minus x cube over 3 factorial plus x power 5 upon 5 factorial minus x power 7 over 7 factorial. Okay, this divided by x. Okay, now x approaches to 0, x is not exactly 0, so we can cancel out x from numerator and denominator. x 0 नहीं है तो हम उसको कैंसिल जरूर कर सकते हैं. क्या मिलेगा? मिलेगा लिमिट x टेंस टू 0 ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर ओवर 3 फैक्टोरियल प्लस x पावर 4 अपॉन 5 फैक्टोरियल minus x power 6 over 7 factorial and so on. Okay, now put x tends to 0, all these values approach to 0 and we get limiting value 1. Okay, and definitely when I put bracket here, okay, then here we will have minus sign, plus sign, then minus sign and so on. Definitely this value will be positive, okay, because x tends to 0 and here we have lower power of x tends to 0 value का lower power जो है वो ज़्यादा value देगा. Okay, so this value is positive, so we are actually subtracting positive value from 1, then definitely this value will be slightly lesser than 1. ठीक है, जो मैंने आपको कहा था. हम ग्राफ से भी ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि इसका लिमिटिंग वैल्यू लेस देन 1 होगा. वी कैन यूज ग्राफ्स टू प्रूव दिस दैट लिमिटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ sin x ओवर x इज स्लाइटली लेसर देन 1. लिखते 1 है पर ये वैल्यू 1 से थोड़ा कम होगा. ठीक है ना? होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Maths books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon and Flipkart.